let's get straight to it. Here are my ingredients. We're going to do a little bit of soy sauce, red crushed pepper. We got some garlic cloves up in here, blue agave, I like it better than honey. We got some Old Bay seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, cumin, and to my right I have a little bit of fish seasoning. I get this from Nam De Nam, super awesome farmer's market. And also under there I got my Baileys. So we are going to go ahead and put this all in a bowl and whip it, baby. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that you are saucy, go ahead and dip your salmon in it or use an actual spatula and whip it. I like to let mine soak. Now we're going to put it into the fridge for an hour. First I have to let my beautiful attendant take a whiff and give me the green light. So let's see what she says. She says it's good, she's proud. Go ahead and put that in the fridge for about 1 hour. Let it sear, soak, and get ready for the seasoning, baby. Now we got a little bit of mangoes and beets, and I'm gonna put this on my salad. So let's fast forward.